Here's how you can get access to Microsoft's Windows 11 Copilot ahead of the curve before it rolls out as a full standard update. An important prerequisite is that you must already have Windows 11 installed to be able to get access. For step 1, let's start by typing Update into the home search bar at the bottom of your screen. You will then need to click Check for Updates, as it should appear as the first option. Next, in this window, click Windows Insider Program. There is a chance you may encounter this issue, which requires a setting change to get past it. Simply click the available option to open Diagnostics and Feedback, then switch on the first toggle as shown. Returning back to the Windows Insider Program page, let's click the blue Get Started button. Click Link an Account, then choose your profile. Once you log in, you will see these Insider Channel options. Click Release Preview, and then Continue. Next, review these agreements, and then you will be required to restart your computer. You can do this now, or if you need to save any files and restart later, you can do so. Keep in mind, there will be more steps, so be sure to reopen this video to continue following after. After restarting, let's type Updates into the search bar, and then click Check for Updates once again. In this menu, click Windows Insider Program. Now, you should see a yellow box informing you that you will need to externally apply for the Insider Program. This is normal, and the following steps are how to get verified. Using the link provided at the top of this video's description, you should log in as the same account as used in your settings from the earlier steps. Scroll down a little and then click the blue Register Now button as shown. You will need to check a box to agree to these terms, and then the blue Register Now button. Click the blue Flight Now button, and then this registering step is now completed. It might not seem like much has happened, but at this point in the process, your account is sent for review, and you must wait up to 24 hours before you will be granted access. Until then, you may use your computer normally. To check if and when you have been granted access, you simply can type Updates into the Windows search bar and return back to the Insider Program page as shown. Click to drop down the menu to choose your Insider settings, and if you have been granted access, the bubble selections should be available to switch between. Click the Release Preview option. If you haven't been granted access yet, these options will be grayed out. Here's an example of what you will see if you haven't gotten access yet. Once you have selected the Release Preview option, go back to the Check for Updates page and click the blue Check for Updates button. You will see an update available. Now you just need to wait for it to download. You can complete other tasks on your computer while this loads. Once this finishes, click the Install option, which will prompt a computer reset and update. Congratulations! After this restart, you should now see the early access version of Copilot available in your desktop home bar. Click it to open, and now you can begin experimenting with it. Keep in mind, this is an early version and has issues with generating accurate answers. This, of course, will improve over time as the AI learns from its mistakes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this process easy and helpful, and keep posted for more useful videos.